Hello, today we're working on problems 25 through 27. For 25, first we're going to try and get these cosines by themselves. So we'll add 5 cosine theta to both sides, and we'll add the 3 to both sides. And we're going to get the cosine by itself by dividing by 8. So 1/2 equals cosine theta. Now we're going to look at possible spots where cosine of theta equals 1/2. The first one that happens at is pi over 3. Again, we're trying to find 4 answers for this, so the next we would say is 5 pi over 3. And then we would just continue that pattern. So 6, 7, 7 pi over 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 pi over 3. And these are our 4 positive answers. For problem 26, it's going to start out very similarly. We need to get the secants all to one side. And we'll add the 5 to the other. So secant theta is going to equal 2. So now we're going to look at angles where secant can equal 2. And so we'll have pi over 3, 5 pi over 3. We're continuing the same pattern as last time until we have 4 answers. For problem 27, this is if cosecant is 2 and we are in the second quadrant. Remember, second quadrant means that sine is positive, cosine's negative, tangent's negative. That means secant and cotangent are both negative. So sine is going to be the opposite of cosecant. And then when sine is 1/2, that means cosine is root 3 over 2. And so tangent would be the 1 over root 3. Cotangent, we flip it, and we just have root 3. So that is tonight's homework video. If you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good night, and we will see you in class tomorrow.